I love the idea of an old-fashioned milkshake. You know, when you go to that like cafe and they go pump with the banana syrup and they get the milk and they put the icing and they put it in the ism and it swirls around and you stick a straw in and off you go. So this is really cool. So all I've done, take a look at this. I want you to check this out. All I've done is just slice some bananas up, sprinkle some cinnamon on here and some coconut sugar and dehydrated them for about 8 to 10 hours. Really easy, right? Simple. So all I'm going to do, and this is so easy and I'm so glad I'm showing you this, the bananas which are frozen, check this out, come in here. This is all I do, is I just cut them and just freeze them. So I've got one banana, which is awesome. I've got some of this, which probably equals to one banana because it's quite thin, which is awesome. And I love the idea of adding cinnamon. I love cinnamon, I think cinnamon's awesome. And some vanilla, just to give it that vanilla. And banana and coconut sugar adds caramelization flavor. There we go. A little bit of cinnamon. Please guys, do this. Do this. 8 hours, cinnamon, coconut sugar, dehydrate them, cut them very thin. You're gonna love it. A splash of vanilla, which is awesome. I'm gonna add some ice, because you want it to be nice and cold, right? Yeah? Yummy and cold and delicious and thick and rich, like a milkshake. That's what we're looking for. I'm gonna add a little bit of ice. Now I'm not sure if you're gonna need sweetener or not. It's gonna be up to you. I'm gonna add some gluten-free oats from Bob's Red Mills. He's a gorgeous man. He's got this company that has like all these employees as owners now. So they're all kind of like full on, want the best quality, want the company to survive. It's quite amazing. I'm going to add a few oats to this, my version of banana smoothie. I'm going to add salt, because salt brings out flavour. Check this out. Check all this salt out. Got some beautiful salt here. Salt just brings out, I just want to...
What type of salt is that, Sam?
Himalayan, pink salt. It's really gorgeous. Pinch of salt, which is really awesome, because salt always does. It just brings out flavour. Something happens when you put salt in food, hey? It just kind of extracts it. When I'm teaching people how to make dishes, it's always salt, you know? Add salt to whole food to bring out its deliciousness. Okay, I need to add some water. And now I'm going to blend this. Okay, I blended that till it was completely chopped down. This was making quite a bit of noise. This is your breakfast smoothie of glory.
I'm excited.
Oh yeah? Okay, check this out. Give this to me. Holy, it's really thick.
So good.
No nuts, gluten-free oats. Boom, this will carry you through to lunchtime.
My green juice is very different to everybody else's green juice. When I mean everybody else, I mean my entire group of friends, which there are a lot of them. I don't add any sweetener to it. I just don't. Everyone else adds apples and different things. I can't stand it like that. This is my kind of cup of tea. And I'd love to share it with you, to be honest. So I've got some kale, some spinach, some celery, some cucumber, some mint and parsley. And I've got some lime. Now, it's so funny because it's like a box of stuff that's going to go in my body. This is like a living supplement. And I believe it keeps my skin beautiful. I mean, look at me. I look after my skin. I'm a big fan of looking after my skin. And I find this really just is really good for my heart too. And if my heart is pumping well and my liver as well, my skin glows and shines and has all the amazing benefits from this amazing big container of chlorophyll, which is the green on plants. So the sun hits the plants, it's living, it's green, it's delicious. I prefer this over green powder any day of the week. I'm just not a big fan of green powders or smoothies. So I prefer to have this. Okay. The juicer I'm using is the best goddamn juicer in the whole world. It is a number world juicer. It is phenomenal. What I love about it is I can just put everything in there and walk away. Seriously, this is a game changer juicer. If you want to invest in juicing, buy yourself a really good quality juicer, and this is the one. I'm going to put the link below. I think this company is phenomenal. Like I said, the link is below. Click the link and get one as soon as you can, because this has like been the greatest version of juicing in my kitchen that I've ever had, and it's remarkable. Yeah, this is it, eh? You know what? I just want to like call in my friend and the greatest cameraman in the whole world. Sorry, come on. Come on's behind that camera. Weir's behind that camera, and Eddie's behind that camera. I want you to come and taste this. And no, you need to come and taste this now. Come in the kitchen and taste this. Because this is the thing, right? Like everybody thinks, oh yeah.
I'm gonna like it.
Oh really?
Yeah, trust me.
Okay. Did you get that on camera? Say it again in the microphone.
I'm gonna like it.
How much am I gonna put in there? Don't waste it, yeah. Hang on, let me just really mix it up. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Stop.
All right, cheers, mate.
Cheers. Straight.
You can't do
I finish it. Thank you, sir.
He's dying.
I need water.
Oh, see what I'm talking about? No one can drink this green juice. Oh, poor guy.
I can do, but I'm so full now. Sorry.
Okay, let's cut up the actual greens. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just be clear for you, Komang. Komang doesn't eat vegetables, full stop. Komang doesn't eat vegetables, full stop. Like, he is not a vegetable eater at all. Sometimes he might have, what vegetables do you have? You said the other day I have egg and rice. So, okay, all right, come on. Let me just really get that chlorophyll moving. Oh, that's too much? Too bad. Try it. Oh, here we go.
Okay, that's right.
Oh, I love it.
Congrats.
I rest my case, yeah? I rest my case. See? Everybody thinks they can try it and love it, and everyone just gets, bleh, bleh. Look at me, I just love it. My friend Lasmi told me that she always picks off the mint off the stalks because it's a better taste. So let's do that. Got a nice big jar here. Just set that aside, okay? This is a lot, right? It looks like a lot. Okay. Watch how this machine works. all the leafy greens. Some herbs. Celery and lime and cucumber. And then you put your hard vegetables last on top of the leafy greens. Close and push play. As this is doing this, I don't have a tamper pushing anything down. It captures it so I can just walk away and continue what I'm doing around the kitchen and not have to stand near this. That's a game changer. That is a complete game changer. So you need to check the link out and get one of these for your home, because after getting one of these, I don't use any other juicer. To sieve it, run it through a sieve. This is optional. You can do whatever you want, but I like to have it through a sieve. It's just my thing. Okay, don't spill it, Cynthia. All right. So the leafy vegetables first, the kale, the mint, the parsley, the spinach, lettuce if you have it, and then the hard vegetables last, the lime, the cucumber, the celery. And this is why it's a game changer, right? The pressure of the hard veggies on top of the leafy veggies makes it pull it down so you don't have to tamper it. That's why it's a game changer. You know, what's really good about green juice? Well, it's not what's good about green juice on Google and health practitioners. Like, what's good about green juice for me is it's not about getting lots of greens into me or getting healthier. I actually very much enjoy it. And greens are a chlorophyll. Like, chlorophyll is like, they reckon chlorophyll's like not just good for your blood, but it matches like I don't know how to say it in words because I'm not a health professional, but it has something to do with the fact that your blood and the green just comes together. It's not alkalizing. I'm not trying to say that. I'm not interested in alkalizing food. I always go back to my mum. It's like, eat your veggies, eat your veggies. Well, I like to juice my veggies at times. You know, I think it's a really nice way to have something different. I find I have brighter eyes when I drink green juice, to be honest. Brighter, I mean the white area of my eyes. I find my colon more hydrated. I find I'm not craving sugars. I'm going to chuck this strainer here because I think that's a genius idea. And like I said, I don't really have to do anything, and it's so easy to clean as well. I'm going to show you that. But that's really it. And then this goes into here. So I'm not trying to force myself to have more greens or to be healthy. That's not why I drink green juice. I drink green juice because I actually really love it. And all right, thank you, Lasmi. So I have a pineapple. Amazing. My mum actually taught me how to cut pineapples. Did you know that?
No.
She's just on, hey. How much pineapple do I want? I want that much pineapple. Stick that back over there. Yeah, she taught me how to cut pineapples. So Mum, if you're watching, I'm going to do exactly what you taught me, which is exactly this. Yeah, and this is what she used to do. Take all those bits out.
Oh, yeah. Right, from the light, let me get a better angle.
Interesting, huh?
Yeah. The locals do it that way.
Yeah, in Indonesia
Yeah.
and in Papua New Guinea. Mum says that these are the bits that give you stomach ache and reflux and make your tongue go all yucky.
All right.
Cutting it up, I'm not going to use the core. Okay. Got my Vitamix.
That would be hardcore.
Oh, we're funny today. Straight into here. Now, over here. Look what I got here. The iron of all things. It is loaded with iron, they say. Or is it vitamin C? Can't remember. Anyway, one of them. I'm a chef, not a nutritionist, but I just know it's loaded with something spectacular. You're just going to cut this up roughly. So I've got about a good heap cup of this, and I've got about 2 heap cups of pineapple if you want to chop it up and get measurements right. But you've seen how much I used. I used a good slab of pineapple. That was a big pineapple.
Yeah, that's it.
Now I want water, just a little, and I want to blend it. And here's a bit of noise. So now I'm going to add ice because I want it cold, all right? Now notice how I added a splash of water, okay, because the ice is water and yeah, blah, blah, blah. You can take that, my friend. Blending again. Now I want to blend this so all those fiber bits of fiber. Kind of break down a bit. So yeah, and can you hear you can hear the crunch of the ice. I want that blended as well. Now this is where it's up to you. You can add a bit of coconut sugar if you want to. I'm not going to. I think it's perfect. And that's quite a lot of parsley in there. What you could do is add a pinch of salt.
Oh, I was going to say a dash of lime.
Absolutely. Absolutely a dash of lime. Mix that through. I love using things like this, you know. Just we have them, let's use them. Oh yeah, that lime's lovely. I'm actually going to pop that in there. There we go. That to me is one of the best cleansing, open-hearted, great after you've caught a plane and travelled a long distance on a plane, go home, hydrate.